what's up, World Wide Web? What's going on? It's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Just listening to a little bit of classical music there, guys. Just meditating, right? Anyway, guys, I'm in my car, and I'm back for an incredible car fact, okay? Why? Because I'm in my car, and it's a fact that I want to present you with. Guys, every single day, over 200,000 brand new people come online looking for ways to make money on the internet. Hold on, guys. I'm going to say that again, guys. Every single day, over 200,000 plus brand new people come online looking for ways to make money from home, start their own business, make some extra income, and make money on the internet. What if I could show you a way, guys, to tap into those large numbers, right? Those people coming onto the internet, and how to position yourself in front of those people. Would you be interested in something like that? I knew you would, guys, okay? Hold on. That's my favorite part of this classical song. Okay, guys, I'm getting off track. There I go. Okay, guys, here we go. If you're interested in learning, guys, a little more information about how you can position yourself in front of the 200,000 plus brand new people coming online every single day in search of starting their own business, making money online, working from home, or you just want to earn a little extra income, guys, there's going to be a link right below this video. It's going to say click here to continue, or you're going to have to actually put your name and address inside a capture page, right, to get on my list and find out exactly how you can get involved in, or at least learn a little bit more information about how you can start your own business, start making money online, maybe just make a little extra income, and start working from home. Remember, the key word here, guys, being learn, okay? If you're ready, willing, capable, and able, this is one of those car facts that you don't want to miss, guys. Anyway, I'm going to get back to my classical music, guys. So if you're interested, guys, go ahead on, give me a name, your email address, or click the continue button below. And we're going to show you how you can get more information about starting your own business, making money online, maybe earning just a little bit of extra income and working from home. As always, this is your boy Marlon O. Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.